Ayan mga guys, baha. So it was flooded. This is our build system here. So we need to replace the sensor inside. So we need to remove first all the waters here. So this is our cargo hold. As you can see, clear. No more container. So we are now here to replace this broken build sensor to avoid any flooding on cargo hold. Welding pump. Yung welding pump na yan mga guys, yan yung ginagamit para maglimas ng tubig dito sa cargo hold bilge. Shout out! Ayun, kasama ko si Boson. Shout out mga taga-Alabang. Ayan, maglilimas kami ng bilge para palitan sensor. Paano mag-assemble ng welding pump? Kung tawagin ng iba, chupa-chupa kasi air private siya mga guys. Ang talagang term, diaphragm pump. Yan yung inlet. Yan o. Suction yan, suction side. Shout out dyan sa mga taga Cebu, sa mga most valuable player ng basketball dyan. Malapit na tayo ulit makiliga. Ito yung isa nila sa MVP. Anong team mo doon?
Shout out Amster Basketball.
Shout out Amster Basketball. Nililipasan natin yung tubig ng ating build. So, U1 Wang level control. We are going to put this and remove the Allen key, and we have to put installed cable wire so we can use it to connect immediately on our bilge and alarm monitoring system. This is the inside. This is explosion proof type, normally used on our cargo hold bilge. This is our float level sensor for bilge, known as explosion proof level controller. We measure indicated here, nothing. This is IP68, okay. Contact rating AC 230 volts with 1.5 ampere. Application number, serial number, and enclosure. Enclosure type EXP ICT6 GB. So this is used for our build system. When this builds, it put in place like this, and this floater will float and sense water. There is a magnetic switch inside. So we are going to prepare it. I put here one. I just open the cover here, and there is T terminal from which you will check if this move. There is a contact here that will make contact close and contact open. On our system, when the system is open, it has no alarm, but when the contact is closed, we have a bilge alarm as indicated on the engine control room and sounded also in the engine control room. Also in the ship's office, we have a visual indicator there if there is a bilge on the water. I'm going to prepare a cable on it so we can put it inside. Once we put it inside, we need to inspect and make sure that there is no water penetrating inside of this. Yun. No, sakatan nyo, no? Balikan yung pangaba. Balikan yung pangaba. Okay. Normally, we use this black and brown, from which the voltage is connected. The gray color is used for grounding. This is grounding. In other country, they use grounding a color of red or a color of yellow and green. But here we use this gray as a grounding. So this is the cover. Explosion proof level here. You can put the one inside. Okay. And put like this. Okay, you take switch stick. You can put the rings. Then stick. Then you can insert inside. Then this so we get this side. Here I have the black, the common one, the brown, the normally open contact, and gray, the normally closed contact. I have here multimeter, so once the floater is up, the alarm will come. This is how our build system is working. I can put silicone. Make like this. That's it. It is now ready to use and installed on our builds system. On cargo hold number 2 and other one is for cargo hold number 4. Alright, finished now. Guys, ayan yung
nakita na yung float dito.
talagang lumulubog siya, oh. Lumulubog sa tubig, kaya mahalaga na yung float switch na ilalagay nyo mga kaibigan. Waterproof, kasi kahit lumubog sa tubig yan, hindi dapat mapasok ng tubig yung sensor natin.
Para ko muna.
Lumang sensor, tinanggalan natin mga kaibigan, papalitan na natin ng bago. Yan yung aming builds, yung bago. Okay. Guys, once you do electrical termination, you must need to use a rubberized tape. So we will eliminate to penetrate the connection with water. This is rubberized paint. Shout out ulit dyan sa mga taga-Alabang, sa mga nasalanta ng Bagyong Christine. Mag-ingat, magdasal, manalig, ang lahat ay magiging okay. In God we trust, mga kaibigan. Size 24 dito. Guys, we already terminated the wire and we do a testing on it before we finally put insulation on the connection on our build system. Engine room, pasok. So we are going to test if the alarm is coming. Engine room, pasok. I just left by put this level switch. Chips office, may alarm dyan. Number 2. Hold port side. Yun, may radyo.
Enric Moises Bautista, tambay lang daw.
Okay, may alarm. Port side. Naikabit ko na yung wire tapos itinaas ko na yung floater. Ito nga pala yung sensor natin mga guys. Bagong palit, no?
Alarm! Leg, meron!
Okay, positive, may alarm. Okay, finalize ko na yung connection dito. Thank you.
Okay, kailangan may bigo.
Okay na daw sir, magluluto sila. Properly insulate the connection between the two wires. After putting a rubberized tape, you must need to put electrical tape. Then finally, you have to put silicone. Then after silicone, we can put the heat shrinkable tube after it. So by properly insulating with rubberized paint, then put electrical tape, we can put a silicone. We can proceed to put this shrinkable tube, this one. Okay, so again we are going to use this heat gun with 2000 watts to insulate properly the connection wire from this big sensor going to our alarm monitoring system on the builds. Okay na yung ating bagong build sensor. Ayan, ganun lang ang pagpapalit ng build sensor mga kaibigan. Ayun yung kaibigan ko, si Maestro. Shout out bro. Walang shout out. Ayun, shout out dyan sa Alabang mga kaibigan. Ang sabi nila, bawat problema ay may solusyon. Wag lang maging solusyon ang problema. Yun. What? Go. Ano mensahe mo sa mga gusto magsiman?
Kain ng kain, payat. Tulog ng tulog, puyat.
Chipmate, pasok. Pakicheck kung may alarm yung hold number 4, port side. We put...
Leg, alarm, number 4, port side.
Okay. Contact loss. Confirm. Alarm.
Alarm leg, number 4, port side.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Lagyan natin sa loob. Ayan. Natin. Angat. Meron. Angat. Meron. Angat. Meron. Yun. Okay. Float switch na nilagay. Rubberized tape. Okay. Para hindi mapasok ng tubig. lagyan ng rubberized tape, lagyan nyo ng electrical tape. Okay, mamaya shrinkable tube naman. May electrical tape na pasok nyo yung shrinkable tube. Pasok ng shrinkable tube mga guys. Yan, tirahin na natin dyan. Yun mga guys. Para hindi mapasok ng tubig. Yung ating cabin connection. Makita tayo ngayon ng sensor na tube. Authorized sensor ng mag-aalam yan sa makina, maririnig. Ganun ba yan? Pag-close. Ayun, tumanong. Ilagay mo sa bridge, sa engine room. Sir, pasok! Ito na natin ang bagong build sensor. Yung ating builds number 4. Yun, okay na. Ganun lang guys, ang magpalit ng build sensor, no? Kailangan properly installed para hindi mapasok ng tubig. Tsaka dapat testingin bago iwanan. Every day or weekly, as long na bakante itong ating cargo hold space, no? Kailangan nating palitan at i-check yung ating bilge alarm sensor para ma-avoid ang paglubog ng mga container. Ayun, shout out pala sa aking kaibigan si R. Crocs. Ayun, kamay dyan, kaibigan.
Hello guys! Walang ibang assistant dito, kundi si Rico Rosales po, taga Bohol.
Alright.